Let's begin with the continuation of the poem. As I grew older, the remaining lines of the poem, which has been given in these lines of the poem, we shall see. Slowly, bright like a sun, my dream, and then the wall rose. Slowly, the wall rose. Between me and my dream, he is saying between me and my dream, rose until it touched the sky. So the wall is there, shadow is there. You can see until it touched the sky. Shadow, I am black. I lie down in the shadow. No longer the light of my dream before me. No longer the light of my dream before me. Above me only the thick wall is there. Above me is there only the thick wall, only the shadow. My hands, my dark hands. So my hands, my dark hands break through the wall, and you can also see how the plant grows by the breaking of the wall. It grows up. Find my dream, find my dream. Help me to shatter this darkness and help me. It says that, and help me to shatter this darkness, to smash this night, to break this shadow into a thousand lights of sun, into a thousand whirling dreams of sun. So this is the mm, making of the lines which are being given by the poem there. So that is there you can see that it is going to happen in the making of a person, that dramatizes in the faces and shows these are the few lines which are being to be expressed in the having of the speaker's words in the poem of the discrimination of racial victims, and that is also saying with the images of light and shadow. Hughes turns the conflict, hope and despair into a universal experience there. And just you can see that it is easy to dream, then we can have to see that that in the year of the person it is all about, then you can see that it is all about with the poem that was published in the year of 1925 with the having of the collection of the poems there. So now the poem is about one's dreams in the life of that one, and what are the dreams, and what are the hardships one has to endure, and what are the hardships or the difficulties one has to endure, and the strong will one need to have in order to achieve our goals and realizes the dreams of the worlds there. So we can say that it is very easy to dream, but how far we can say that it is very difficult when it compares our life, or it is provided to provide with a source of inspiration there, and what is that determination of the effort is needed to transform our dreams into this reality there. And you can also see that the poet is used some of the symbols and imageries, and what are these symbols and imageries, you can see that it is needed to transform dreams into reality there, and what are the determination of the effort which is needed to transform into reality. Using the wall of an evocative symbol there, Hughes makes a lot of alerts as to the obstacles and challenges that lie in the path of realizing of one's dreams. And what are these things? Hughes alerts that to the obstacles and the challenges that may lie in the path of realizing of one's dream is being understood. And he says that journey is also difficult for the speaker of the poem because there was going to be a having of the discrimination that finds in the people of these African and American life there. So that is why Langston Hughes condemned the racism and racial discrimination that makes the people to be smallfully exploited with these uh, victims of the making of the differentiation there. So however you can see that it is just opposing the images of light and shadow, because you can see that what are the things that symbolizes with the rising of the sun in the morning, and what are the things that are going to be exhibited light and shadow in the evening there. So that Hughes he makes his turns in the conflict between this hope and despair into his universal experience there. So this makes the poem to be literally to be free from of all these things that makes the promotion of equality, and you should have to avoid the racism, and you should have to see the determination and opposition of these discrimination that is going to be affected there. And these are the things that are being taken by the person by the having of these small lines that has been published in the poem of As I Grew Older. So we can see what is the part that are going to be expressed there with the having of these questions. So just for time being, you can also see the glossary of the words which are being there with that are being given here. So in the glossary of the words of the meaning, you can see that these are the words that has to be taken, making into the reality of these persons there. And the meanings of the words that are being taken in the glossary is shatter. So what is the meaning of the shatter? Means to break into very small pieces. The meaning of the shatter that gives into the person making of these very small pieces. So whatever the things that are going to be taken is to be taken into very small pieces there. And one more word, that is with the smash. What is the word with the smash there? And to break into many pieces suddenly, noisily, and violently. Smash means to break into many pieces. So by making of these suddenly, if it may falls, that may break down into pieces with the having of these noise and violently there. And that is going to be taken in these having of the things to be done. And whirling means it is spinning, rotating, and turning round and round quickly. So that whirling means you will see in the small creatures. Whirling means the small creatures of tiny insects. You can take with the examples of those things. Spinning, rotating, turning round easily. And you can see that in the evening when it comes, the small birds that are going to go through these flying in the sky, they make because the evening is the time to go to reach their home, and in these thousands of lights of sun in the evening, those small uh, creatures make whirling in the sky with the having of turning of them with spinning, rotating, and turning around and round quickly. And these are the words which are being given in the glossary. And when you are going to see with the comprehension of these questions that has to be taken, yes, you can see what will be the poet's idea a long time ago and what happened to it, And what happened to it, that is a long time ago, means in the past few days, that what had happened, what he has become, what has done, what he got in his dreams. And you should have to see in these things to make the comparison of these po- poet's dream, and make the comparison of the words of the persons having think to choose with the breaking and thinking there. And with the third point, we can see that the poet says almost forgotten. The poet says that almost forgotten his dream, and what made him forget it. He says that within a few days or within a few time in the night, and when it compares with the morning, he says that he had forgotten his dreams. And what made him to forget, you should have to think the reason that when you sleep in the night, naturally human beings may get the dreams. That makes the comparison when you woke up in the morning suddenly, that may go off. So that is a comparison of the thing which is going to be taken in his comparison of the works that has to be taken or given. The poet again says that almost forgotten his dream, and what made him forget it. So what is the cause, or what is the reason that it made him to forget it? And you can also see that it is a thing which is going to be happen to forget of these two terms there. And when you come to the point of the poems of the lines, and then the wall rose, and then the wall rose, is it he really a wall that the poet is referring to? And you can also see that it is a real wall, or the poet is referring to. So that a wall is being given, that if we seed a plant, it grows. Then while the taking up the wall with a supportive thing only, you are going to see that poet is going to give the clear identification that a supportiveness to the plant, which is going to be helped with the evocative symbol of wall there. And how does the poet hope to recover his dream? So what is the poet which is going to be there in the is going to be exit or to recover his dream? So you should have to see all the recovering of the dreams which are going to be happen in these things there. And the poet also uses many few words that are being suggested in the list of the words there. And what are the words that suggest are this light and darkness, and list of the words. And these are the words that are being taken to the light and darkness. And the poet brings together the color of the skin and the state of mind. So before itself we have already seen that there lies an existing color in the blacks and whites, red and negroes, even with the color, and also the determination in the ratio of these poverty lane also. So you can see those words also. The poet also uses this suggesting of these light and darkness, list of the words, and describe. You can also see that poet brings together the color of his skin, what is the color of the skin, and what is the state of his mind also is being recorded in that way. So that is why the words are being get together in the view of these explanations that is going to be taken in order to have these few lines there. And the theme of the relevance of the poem is also being expressed in the view of the lines. Then you should have to give the time frames in the poem, how it is going to be identified, and times of the frames also is being given. In these identification of them, which is going to be get together in the words of the poet there, and that is going to be seen how it is going to be modulated, that what is the attitude of the poet towards his dream, and you should have to find what will be the attitude of the lines of the poem at the beginning of the poem, and towards when he is reaching last to the end of the lines of the poem, that is, you can see, help me to shatter his darkness, to smash this night, or to break this shadow into a into a thousands of lights of sun, into a thousands of whirling dreams of sun there. So these are the lines that are being expressed by the beginning, and that a slight change is there. So a slight change which is going to be exhibited in the seeing of the lights of sun and the whirlings of dreams of sun, that is going to be exhibited in the lines of the poem there. So that is why there occurs a few change, or there is a change in the lines of poem that is going to be seen in the person which is going to be described there. And when you see the comparison of these statements, when you are going to see what is the central idea of the poem that conveys from the first to last, so he should have to make himself that he should have to get the hopes and despairs are the common features in the human beings, the life of the human being experiences. He should have to overcome of these features of difficulties. Those are hopes and qualities that are being taken here itself. Just you wait for some time. So these are the words that are being used in these words. So that is why he gives that the idea of the poem that consists of the poem that conveys him. Then he has given the imagery words of the poem and relation to his theme that is being expressed in the poem. He used some imagery words and themes of the poem that is going to be exhibited in the lines of the poem that the author is being considered. What kind of statement do you think? Now you can see that what kind of statement that the poem has given in the making about in the poem is making about identity and its impact in one's life, and we are going to see himself with the impact of one's life, and what is the identity is the brought. So the identity of the poem, that is that if at all in the life you are going to see life is there existing, which has been given by the gift of God, we have to face of all the things that is being given by the gift of the God, by the making of himself in the catching of these hopes and despair there. And also you can see, and you can have to see of these things that is being taken there. Then you can have the poet uses the wall in a figurative manner. So figurative manners means the supportiveness, the growingness, and the walls, those are the things that are being given which are to be added in this manner. And this is the poet's racial identity. The support of the wall gives that if at all you are going to have any turns and things, you should have to overflow them. As far as you are growing up, you should have to face all the difficulties to move with them, even if the having of any conflicts or even any fightings also, then also you should have to focus them, and you should have to make a hope of winning of the concept of the discrimination of the words used in such of the experience of the person there. And what do you think the wall refers to the poet's racial identity is also being given with the universal one. Then describing the changing tone in the mood of the poem. Then what is the changing of the person that is going to be given? So that is why the poet is making themselves into their dreams, that still you remember. He is asking that what are the points which are being given and taken into these, that what is your dream, you can give, or you can give some examples. If at all you have got your dream, just tell your remembrance of that one, since when did you have the dream, and speak about. So you can see that after getting the dream, and what are the things that are going to be taken, so that your dreams may come true, or you realize you really have the realization of the dreams that are going to be given in your day to day life. So that is why the dreams are being given, and you even still remember those then, and those are the things which are being happen. If at all you dream, then that has to be given by the upliftment of your classes to be the remembrance, and you should have to follow those things which are being taken in the life of the human beings there. What are the walls you have encountered there? Then you should have to see that what are the walls that are being given, because if you seed a plant, it grows, but it has to need a support of that one. Then what is the support, and what are the things of the walls that are going to be given for the back support, or these supporting of the growing of the plant, that has to realize. So in your dreams also, whatever the things that may come, if may come into the real situations of that one also, you should have to get by the supportiveness of all these things, and that you should have to make them to be clear with the realization of all the things to be taken there, and write about it. So whatever the referring of the points which is referred to the walls, and even with the realization of your dreams there. Then conduct a group of these discussions with having of you see around, or even if you are making with the people are going together. If at all it is like that, we shall have also the building up of the personalities which are being taken to be seen around and experienced with the personally by the having of your discussions to be taken. So that if it is like that, what are the reasons are the supportive works that are being taken, that you can say, and also the experiences of the personal feelings which are being given to be taken, that has to be seen around you by the having of these experienced persons with personally. And also you can have your sharing of your thoughts with them, how the poet is made, and what are the personal experiences that share with the universal one, and what are the things that are going to be taken by this sharing of your thoughts. It is there, and these thoughts and others, how the poet is being made, and what are the perhaps of the points that is going to be taken in the universal one. So these are the few points of the activity points that makes a person to have the sharing of himself with his doubts, and how the poet is making himself to the having of these personal and the universal one of the far separating of the lines of the views of the poet's thoughts there. And that is why you can also have the seeing of the person, where the poet uses of all these kinds of the lines of the poem that is going to be exhibited in all together there. And you can also even have the discussion which is going to make you yourself to the realization of your dreams, and you can also even exhibit your views, or your things are the points that are going to be growing from the day by day. And also you can also have your relation with the theme of the poem in the exhibition of all these things there. And you can see the positive attitude of the poet's attitude towards the dream at the beginning of the poem, that is same to the last extent. Just you compare, because even also you can see some of the time you can feel with the difficulties or even with the things that are making together to the last extent by the having of the changes in the poet's view of the lines of the poem there. And these are the lines of the poem where the poet suggests hope of the recover his dreams. And what is the words, what is the theme of the word that poet is using in the comparison lines of the poem, as I grew older. So just once again we shall see of the lines which are being taken in these together there. Then what are the lines of the poem that is going to be given in these 26 minutes? These are the things there that are there to be happened. Then we shall have to see the remaining lines of the poem which has been given in these things. It was a long time ago. We are going to use the forgetting of his dream there, and that is going to be taken with the expressing of the lines of the poem. In front of me that it is bright like a sun. So just you see what are the lines of the poem that are being taken together. And again he is describing his words with the wall rose slowly and suddenly between me and my dream, how it touches the sky is there. And we shall use the words the wall is there and the shadow is there, and no longer just you see the light of his dream before me. So these are the poetic view lines of the poem. As I grew older, you can have the experience of the completion of the poem with having of a universal experience. Thank you. So we shall have the continuation of the questions there. So what are the questions that are there in the comprehension 2? We are going to give in the points of the central idea of the poem as I grew older. So what is the central idea of the poem which the poet has been suggested? So we should have to write the idea which was being conveyed by the author there. So we should have to write appropriate or the relevant words that are being given from the poem itself. Then the second point is the imagery of the poem. The imagery of the poem and its relation of the theme of the poem is being added there. So what are the imagery words that are being used? So you should have to use some of the imagery words. We should have to pick up from the lines of the poem the imagery words which has been given from the poem, and we should have to give the explanation of the relation of the words that has been given to this theme there. Then the third point, you should have to mention the statements that the poem is making about the identity and its impact of one's life there. We should have to see what is the poem making. Then you should have to know the identity of the poem that is being placed on one's life. So that is also one of the continuation of this poem there. Then from the fourth point you can have to get the poet's dream. Then what the poet said that he got the dream, and what it specifies the dream in that poem, and what is the matter about the dream which has been stated there. So that also we should have to give the explanation of the dream which has been given in the poem words there. Then lastly you can see similarly the poet uses the wall in a figurative manner. Then what do you understand by the word of the poem that is being given to the context of the poet's racial identity there? Then you should have to find out the racial identity, the color and nature of the changing of the tone of the picturization of this poem there. So these are the words that are being used in the poem of the wall that makes the figurative manner that identifies the poet's racial identity there. And these are the words that are being given in the poem to have the change in the mood of the poem that is being discussed in the poem as I grew older. So we should have to see what is the poem about totally, and we shall have the points which are being focused there. And these are the words which we may go through these relation to the theme, and also its impact in one's life is also been given there. And these are the words that are to be taken from the lines of the words that are being given by the poet, which has been enrolled in these words of the poet to be understood by the words of the lines there. And at last you can use your own words, and also you can give some of the explanation of the words that are being given in these poem by the making the turns of the conflicts between hope and despair that is going to be taken from these lines. So this will be the conclusion of the part of the poem as I grew older. So you can make your comprehension questions from there to the proper answers. So we shall have the continuation of one more class in the next